he's the only guy in our squad who does. I want that goal. No one in our team is capable of scoring that goal.
True.
So like, I started
Mfana,
from
sure.
deep. I enza dlali 1-2
One, sure,
yangizol
yeah.
into njani phela nala uyamfaka Mbuthu make him
Sure.
Mbuthu makam let's play
Yeah.
yangizol
Sure.
Yeah.
very few people
Ntwana Novara is the
Yeah.
only one.
he's the only one
Sure.
yangizol, and that's very crucial.
Yeah.
If you can get a striker that is that wise to say I want to tshwere ke Tito, I make sure that I pin one defender
Sure.
yangizol.
Yeah.
I'm saying Tito come
Yeah.
yangizol, Tito ayitla
Ta.
poker fela yangizol,
Yeah.
he can get a lot of goals.
Sure.
He gives us a different dimension.
Yeah.
Yangizol.
And
You
Tito
must-
scores.
Yeah?
Tito
He scores.
Tito scores
Yeah.
in fact. Yangizol, I mean, he's
Sure.
about 4 or 5 goals
4
now.
or 5, yeah.
Yeah.
Yangizol, like it is
And if you think about it, is up there libo Mremi libo
Edakadlalanga
Mbutu.
amagame abhayi. Check the number of minutes which he has.
Sure.
Yes.
Minimal.
Yeah. So he totally deserves minutes in fact in this Orlando Pirates team.
Wow,
You
true.
can't play the same players. Those games that you feel like, coach, you can rotate. Put the legs of Tito.
Yeah.
In danger. Put the legs of Tito. I mean, that's the chemistry I want to see if you're playing against a weaker opposition or a position that is not on your level.
Yeah.
You come in, you be a professional, you give your best. If possible, get a goal, get an assist.
Sure.
Guess what? In fact, he's raising his hand. Say, coach, don't
Hlala
forget
siphakamise.
about me.
Hlala siphakamise,
Hey,
hlala
this time.